Good morning,
Mhm.
Sudeshna. So
Yes.
today's session, what we will discuss is the familiarity with the Git repository. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the fact is like I think last week we discussed a few of the assignments, and you worked a few problem statements, and you have the solution also with you, right?
Hmm.
And now, if I want to see the code, what you have written, so how can I do that?
After setting the repository, we can get access to their zip
Yeah.
files.
Basically, suppose if there was no gate, if there was no
Mm,
gate, like the code source files, source code is with you on your machine
mm,
now, right?
mm, mm,
So if there was no gate, like what is the possibility? You have to either share the code via email to me, or
mm,
we have to have some shared location from where we both can access the data. So we both can access the data from a shared location, and we both can see the data, right?
right.
So now, what exactly Git meaning? Git is a remote server somewhere, all right?
Mm,
And what you do is like all your codes, you save it in the on that server. And if you have a public repository or a private repository, something like that. So if it is a public repository, it's open to everybody. Anybody can see in this world. But if it's a private repository, only the intended audience can view your code. Okay.
mm,
So now what we will do is like let's have a account on GitHub and let us have a repository on GitHub for us. And the same repository, we will use it for our code submissions. Okay. Okay. So first and foremost thing is like, let me just get into this Git. Okay. This is
okay.
github.com. Okay. So let's
Mm,
log into github.com, visit this website. And here, what we will need to do is like, it is auto logging in because I have set that feature. So if I log out and log in again, okay. Sign out from all the accounts, right? So now, yeah. So this is the homepage of GitHub. Here, let's go. Let's log in. Okay, this is my username and I have the password. So I'm signing in. All
mm,
right. Once I sign in here, so this is actually a tab where I can have all the settings for me. Okay. Now,
mm,
another thing is um, here, if you see, so this is another drop down where I have so many things to do. Okay. Now, if I go here on home, so this is actually the home page. In this home page, what we can see is we can see the repositories what we have created for us. Okay.
mm,
Okay. Now,
mm,
now what we need to do is like I created this repository C programming, let's go ahead and create a new one. Okay.
mm,
Just for like a new sake, or how do we do is like new repository you do, and you give the repository name, make it private. Okay. And
mm,
then what you do, you add this like readme file and blah 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 things and create repository. That's how you create a new repository. Okay.
mm,
Because now I have already created a repository, so let's just reuse that same repository. Okay. Now
mm,
if we go, the C programming is our repository which I had created. All right.
mm,
It's an empty repository. It has nothing in it right now. Okay. So
mm,
now what we need to do is like, let me just go through this repository. Okay. And it's in this repository. What I'll do, like I'm just adding a simple thing. Okay. And I'm making a first commit. Okay. Now, if you
mm,
see, so basically, see the branch name here is main. Okay. But actually, the branch name shall be like usually the branch name is master. Okay. So what I want to do is like I want to rename this master branch. Okay. So wait. I want to rename this guy. How do you rename, buddy? Okay, no problem. For now, we can have this as a main branch, uh, but I want this to be renamed. Okay, yeah, so we can rename this guy here. Okay, so
mm,
edit. I'm renaming this to master branch. Okay, so we can have any branch name, but it's convenient that like having a master branch is like kind of a good thing. So now we have these. Okay, master branch. All right. So then what we need to do is overview, blah, blah, blah things. Everything is good here. Okay. Now new pull request you do. There isn't anything to compare. Okay, no worries. Okay, so now we'll go back to the code. And now if we see, so this is our master branch. All right. So what we need to do is on machine, if we have to do this part, but we don't have now. So it's okay. Okay. So this is the code. Now, this is our C programming, and this is our thing. Now, whatever the code we had on our local machine, that code we want to push it to the master to Git here. Okay. So, but before that, what I want is I want to add you people as the accessors for this one. Okay. So how do I do? I need to make you as the contributors for this code. Okay. So now I'll go here down. Okay. This.
Settings?
Sorry? Yeah.
In settings or?
Yes, settings, and then you have the collaborators. Okay. So in this collaborators, I added you both here. Okay. And you people accepted it also. So you both have the access to this. Okay. Now, because most of the code was on your machine, right?
Right.
So first what I'll do is like I'll push the code which is present on me, and we'll create a new thing, and you should also push the code. So that's the activity we do today. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what we will do is, first of all, check your repository. Okay, C programming. All right, I'll go here. Then here we have this code thing, and then here I have the SSH link. So what I'll do, I'll take this. Now I have a project, I mean, a code where I read all these things. Okay, I'll create a new folder like revisions. Okay. So here is where I'm going to keep all my things. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll open a terminal here. Okay. Git clone. What should I clone? I have to clone the repository link. Okay. Which I copied from here.
Git.
Right. Either I can use SSH or I can use HTTP. So I can go ahead with anything. So I will go here and it's cloning me the repository. Okay. Now if I say ls, so I have the code for me. Okay, so I will change the director to C programming. Then if I do ls, right now I just have readme text. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll say code dot. Okay, I just have a code dot thing here. Okay, but we were working on the code somewhere, right? So let's open that code, which was I think in the home directory. C programming. I don't know where I left that code. Okay, I need to search. Yeah. So C programming, this was my code, right? So basically this is what we worked, correct? So what we will do, see, initially we worked on so many assignment problems, right? So we had that great user things and all. That's all is gone now, correct?
Right.
Suppose by starting only, if we would have started committing the code, we should have had the copy of the course present in our Git for us, correct? So now we lost the data. So we don't want anything like that to happen next time onwards. So what we are doing is, let me just open this containing folder, right? So what I'll do, I'll copy this from here and I'll push it to the our desired. Come over. My machine is loaded with heavy things. I think I have to go for cleanup of my machine. Okay. So now I'm pasting it here. Okay. I'll just like copy and I'll go here and I'll paste on this. Okay. Okay. Now what exactly happened? Like I added this introduction folder, correct? So now what will happen? Like we'll see initially, like if I say git log one line, okay, I'll do, okay, git log one line if I do. So what it is saying is like we just have a one commit here, okay? Now the code is sitting on my local machine and I have a remote repository somewhere. So to communicate in between to these two, so I need to use one application called Git Bash, okay? Hello?
That
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, so like it is similar to that, like when we had the source code and we wanted to convert that to a binary, what did we use? We used a compiler called GCC, right?
Right.
So GCC served as an intermediator between the source code and the binary file, right? Similarly, for the code which is present on your local machine, to the server's repository. So there's an in-between application that is actually your Git Bash application. Okay. So and which facilitates you to work with these two things in its own predefined format. Okay. Now what did we do? We added these things, right? So now we need to understand there are three things in between. There is a remote server, there is a Git application, and there is a local machine code. So now who talks to your remote server? It is always the intermediate Git application. Okay, you're never going to talk directly. Okay, now to your Git application and your Git code, so you have a communication. So what you need, there are few commands like git diff. Okay, so git diff. So what does this git diff does is, so this git diff will actually tell you about the newly added things. Okay, so now what we will do, git commit, sorry, git add all. Okay, if I do this one, then I'll have git status. Okay, so what exactly this git status is saying us, so we have all these things which is not yet committed to anything. Okay, so now git commit message. Okay, git commit message and s also, where you sign in also. Okay, you say that adding intro sessions. Okay. Okay. So now what has happened? So it has got added these things. Now, if you say git status again, so it says nothing. Now what has happened from your local machine to your Git application? You already established a connection. Now you want to see here, if we see, so this branch has only one commit right now. Okay, I'll refresh this. Even now it has just one commit. Now what we will do, we will push the code. Okay, so git push origin. Where are we pushing this? To the master. So if we push to the master, now what has happened? It has pushed the code to master. Now let's go to the Git repository and refresh this code. Okay, refresh this page. Now what has happened? There are two commits, it says. Okay, and it said like we added something. Okay, so we added all these things. So this is how your C programming will work now. Okay.
Okay.
Now what you do at your end, on your machine, so you got to present me the code and you need to download this code now. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Present your screen and download this code for me. I'll stop presenting. Okay.
Is it there? Screen.
Sorry.
Is my screen seen or not?
Yes, yes, yes. I can see your screen. Okay, go to GitHub. Then you have this access to this Shama programming, right? So yes, come down, come down. Next one, next. Yes. Next, next, next. Yes, yes. Okay, so that's your repository. Okay.
Okay.
Say, okay, got it. Okay, see, this is the code what you have right now. Now, how do you download the code is, see, wait, wait, wait. Go back. No, 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 back, back, yes. Okay, there's a green tab, right? So the
Yeah.
green tab and which is written code. Yes, yes, click on that. Okay, now there is this HTTP and SSH thing. Okay, so let's work with both the things. Okay, so first let's take HTTP one only. Okay, copy, copy, copy. There's a small two icons, copy icons, right? Yeah, click on that. Yep, perfect. So now you open a terminal on your desired location on your machine.
We paste it here.
I cannot see your screen anymore. I mean, I can see only the browser. Minimize the browser. Wait. Okay. Share complete session. You complete screen, entire screen. You do. Okay.
Now?
Yes. Now I can see it. Okay. So uses HP. So here, what you do? Git clone. Paste this link. Okay. Enter. Okay, so what it says, Git is not recognized as an internal or external, which means you don't have Git on your machine, whether it is a Linux machine or Windows machine.
Windows machine.
Perfect, perfect, no worries. So what you need to do
I
is you
have
have to
downloaded it
install
though.
Git. Yeah. Wait.
Not yet.
Okay, so you go
I do
to
have that desktop though here.
Git desktop. It's okay. We don't want that. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So let's go to the browser. I mean, this you can use it, but I want you to learn from the basics. So I want you to dig your hands, okay? Dirty your hands first.
Okay.
So open a new tab and say download Git Bash for Windows machine. Git Bash, download Git Bash for Windows. Yes, perfect. Yes,
First one.
okay. Yeah, you can go ahead with that. Check. Come down. No, not this. Go back. Let's check the other link. Yeah, take this second one, gitshm.com. Yeah, perfect. Click on Windows. Okay, standalone installer 64-bit setup because your machine is 64-bit. Yeah, double click and install it. Just next. Everything is just next. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Yes. Okay. Now
Okay.
you open terminal. Wait. Launch Git Bash, you say? Finish. Congratulations. So this is your Git Bash, okay?
Okay.
Now, Visual Studio Code was there, no? You go there. Okay, no worries. We didn't even start yet. Now you go to the command prompt, the previous command prompt. Now you type again git hyphen version. Enter. Okay, so why? Because this session doesn't know that Git was installed. Okay, close this and start new terminal. Now you say Git version. It should recognize. Okay, hyphen version or hyphen v. Enter. Congratulations. Okay. So now, yeah, so now you clone the repository, git clone thing you do. You either you can use command line or you can use git bash. Anything is okay, okay?
Okay.
I suggest you use as much as possible command line things, okay?
Okay.
Git and the repository you give.
Do we directly
Git clone, you write git clone. Okay. Go to GitHub and get the link for the repository. Yes. Yes, perfect. That's the one. Yes. Paste it here. Yes, enter. Yeah, say sign in with browser. Now it will open a browser. Yes, authorize. Now you just check back. Git thing. Yeah. No, no, not this. Your command prompt. So it has downloaded for you. Okay. Now you say change directory. Sorry, ls you do. I'm sorry. Basically, this is Windows, right? I don't know how they list in Windows, but you have this one. Okay. Change directory C underscore. This present working directory. No, it does not. Change directory cd C underscore tab you give. Enter. You got it, right? Now you say code dot. Okay. You got this? Right? So now what let's do something. Okay. So now you open a terminal. Terminal. This not this from Visual Studio only you open a terminal.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now you do git log one line. Git log hyphen one line. ONE line.
One line.
Yeah.
It must add an intersection. I think readme file is created.
Sorry.
Readme file, create readme.
Basically, see what exactly this is in the sense I made 2 commits, right?
Mm.
So these are 2 commits. Okay. Now what we will do is you need to add some code and we will update that. Okay.
Mm.
Open this readme. Readme.md file is there, no? Niche, yes. Readme.md file. Yes, yes, that one. Okay. Here you write hash C programming is there, no? Below you write enter and below enter one more line. Hash space developers team. Enter number 1. Shama RB, okay? Space Shama RB. Oh, yeah, anything is good. Okay, Shama RB. Enter next 2. Your name. Next 3. So Srijani P. SRU. Okay. Okay. It's okay. Keep that H. Keep that H. Keep that H. Keep that H. Okay. Yeah. Good. Okay. Srijani P. Space P. Okay. Yeah. Now what has happened? Now you updated this document. Correct?
Mm.
Now what you need to do? Save this file. Okay. What has happened? You have this file updated, saved on your machine, right?
Right.
Now you go back to GitHub and can you see these changes there? No, right?
Mm.
It's not there, correct?
Mm.
So now what we need to do, we have to make your changes available here, right?
Right.
So how are we going to do that one? Let's see, okay? Now, in your terminal, you type git diff. Enter.
DIF.
Yes. Now what it says, just minimize this window, maximize this window, drag this up, drag this up, drag this up. Yes. Okay, up you go. Q you do.
Q.
Yeah, quit. Okay, clear. CLAR. Okay, now you git diff you do now. So what has happened? So what it is saying here, so there is a difference here. Okay, so you to your master branch and to you, there is a difference. Okay, diff between git A readme.txt, B readme.txt. A is like something it is referring to the master thing and B is something it is referring to the new thing. Okay, so what has happened? There was just C programming, but now you have added so many new lines. Okay.
Okay.
Now what you need to do? Say git status. What it says?
On branch master, your branch
Yeah.
is up to date with origin master. Changes not staged for commit. Use git add file to update what will be committed. Use
So what
git
it is saying?
restore to use git add file to update what will be committed.
Yes. So what it is saying, there is a modified file here, right?
Mm.
So what we need to do, we need to add this to the Git repository. So how are we going to do? Git add dot, meaning git add everything which is changed. Space dot. Yeah. Now you say git status. Sorry, first you say git diff and then git status. Let's check this way, okay? Now what it says, there is no difference, all right? Git application your local code are in sync. Git status you do now. What it says now, from red to it has turned green, saying that Git knows that there was a change, but we need to still push this to the master, okay, or remote. Okay, how are we going to do that one? For that, we need to create a commit. What do we need to do?
Git commit.
Yes, git commit -m space -m. No, just one space, okay? -m. Yeah, perfect. Space. Give a message, proper message of what you did here, okay? In double quotes, say added team members, right? Added team members or updated team members list, okay? Anything which is suitable for you, a message, okay? End the double quotes. Whichever you feel appropriate, you just have to give some message, okay?
Okay. Now enter.
Okay. Enter. Now what happened? You updated, okay?
Identity.
But see, your Git application doesn't know who you are, okay? So for that, you have to tell your user Git that see, this is you, okay? So for that, what they are saying, suggesting you to update two things. One is the global user.email and user.name. So please update this. Individually run this command. Wherever there is yourexample.com is there, no? You give your email ID, your name, you give your name, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, continue.
Can we run only single one or we have to run both? Email ID and user.
Individually one you have to run, okay? User dot email space. Yeah. No. You already wrote user dot email. So now you give your email address in the quotes.
GitHub address or?
Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Enter. Now for the user name also.
GitHub name?
Your name, yeah, anything. You see, your name, like my name is Shama Arbi, so I write Shama space Arbi.
GitHub username or my name?
Your name, your name. Okay. Now you up arrow and try to push the code. Commit. Sorry, it is still commit. Okay, enter. Now you do git commit space -amend.
AMEND?
Yeah, amend. Yeah, enter. Okay. You understand what exactly it is saying, right? So now you save and quit. How do you do? Escape :WQ.
What? Escape?
Escape :WQ.
Paste it all together?
Yeah. Wait. What is happening? I don't know. Like on Windows, how it works. First, you try quit Q you press. Nothing worked. escape you press. Okay, now you press colon. WQ. Yes, WQ. WQ meaning save and quit. Yes, enter. Okay. So now what has happened? Now you do git status. So what it says? So everything is committed. Okay. Right?
Okay.
Now we made one more mistake. We misspelled Srijani's name. We added S also, H also, right?
Right.
Now let's visit readme.md file again. Yeah, minimize, bring this down a little bit. थोड़ा इतना ज्यादा नहीं भाई, आधा आधा रखो, ठीक है? हाँ, ठीक है. So now you correct Srijani's name. Okay. Now what is this? This is another change what you made, correct? Save this file. Okay. Now you do git diff now. What it says?
There is changes from before.
Right. Now what we need to do, we have to add this also to the same patch, right?
Right.
Now git status you do. There's a modification, correct? So now what you need to do, you need to just add git add, okay? Dot. Yes, everything. So now again you do git diff and git status just to verify. Right? Now what you all now you do git log hyphen one line. Hyphen one line, okay? See,
members.
That's a new commit what you made, okay?
Okay.
So there is already a message. So now what you need to do, you have to stage your new change, which is like Srijani thing, right? So for that, git comment amend you do. Okay. Git comment hyphen amend. Or it is hyphen amend, maybe. Enter. Okay. Now again, save, quit. So how do you do? Escape, colon, WQ. Okay. Now what you need to do, you have to push everything to the master. So for that, git push origin.
Hyphen, no needed?
No. Origin space master. Enter. Now you visit your Git repository. Okay. Go to code. Okay. Refresh. Wait, refresh. What happened?
It is updated.
There are 3 commits, right? If you see here, so there are 3 commits. 1 minute ago, Sudeshna updated team members, right?
Okay, right.
Congratulations. You pushed your first patch.
Thank you.
By your own. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what happened? You made these changes, right? Now see, we are developers, but we just wrote our names. But how do you reach each other? We should have something, right? We should have our emails also written there. Correct? Now what you do? You update our emails also here. Lakshama RB, and then it should be followed by my email address. Okay. Space. Write my name, SHAMARB. Lowercase, complete lowercase. 1810 @gmail.com. Okay, your email address. So it's a general practice. How we write our emails is like in Angular codes. Okay. Angular brackets. Use Angular brackets. Okay. Like this. Yeah. No, not that. That's a flower bracket. Angular bracket. Greater than, less than symbol.
Oh, right.
Right? It's good, right? Now. Copy Suju's email from somewhere. Wait. I'll help you. Okay. Wait. Go up a little more. Up. Yes. Go to codes. No. Go to master. Master. Yes, there. Default, you come. Default. Click there. Go to master and view all branches. You do. View all branches. You can't add. Only I can do it, maybe. Okay, collaborators you cannot see, maybe. Okay, no worries. So in our email Teams meeting or somewhere, you might find Suju's email ID. Just check. Okay. Okay. Now, how do you make it committed there? First, you check the differences.
Git.
Now, Git status. Okay. Now, what you need to do, you have to create a new patch. Okay. First of all, Git log one line you do. Hyphen one line. See what it says. You have origin master update team members. Perfect. Okay. Now what you need to do, you need to create a new patch. You need to create a new patch, new commit, because this commit is already moved to master, correct? So create a new commit. So how do you create a new commit? Git commit. First of all, you need to add git add all. Now git commit message -m, and then you say emails of members updated or something like that. Git commit -m. -m is message, okay? Yeah, space, give a proper message. What happened?
Paths
हाइफन एम के
defined.
बाद प्रॉपर मैसेज देना है, ठीक है, डबल कोट्स में. Okay. Now what you do? Git commit amend. Hyphen amend. Okay. Yes. Save it and exit. Now push the patch.
Git push only.
Git push origin master. All good?
Okay.
Now you go and check there in Git repository.
Updated.
Refreshed, updated. Good.
Okay. Right.
Nice.
Yes.
Happy?
Yeah.
Okay. See now what happened? You updated so much of code on the Git repository, correct? Now, me being another developer and I have certain code with me, right? Let me present my screen.
Okay.
See, this was the code I was working with, right? Now, if I say git log one line, what happened? It is still showing me that I am still at adding intro sessions, but you added 2 more patches on this, correct?
Right.
How do I get those things to my machine now? Those are in the repository now, right? So how do I get those things to me? It is like git pull. Okay, now what happened? It pulled me something. Now if I run git log one line, what happened? Okay. Understanding, Sudeshna?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now what happened? I got these things, right? Now what I'm doing, I'm just checking these things, blah, blah, blah things. Now let me just say, see, if I have the source code, getting the binary files is easy, right? So I don't have to commit the binary files always. So what I want is I want to ignore all the binary files. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
So I don't want to commit these things. So what I'll do, I'll manually delete these things this one way. The other way also we will learn, but right now let's just delete. Okay. I'm just keeping the source code here because anytime I compile, I'll always get those files with me, right?
Right.
So what did I do? I deleted this. So let me say git diff. So what it says, there's a difference. So binary files are deleted. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll create a commit. Okay. So I'll say git add all. Whether I remove or add, always I should say git add all. Git commit same, or you can say sm also. Okay. Then I'm saying deleting binary files. Okay. Files. Now what happens? So it deleted this. See, git commit amend. Okay, I'll do. So now what exactly is happening? So git deleting binary files. But why am I deleting these binary files? So I need to have a proper message also. For that, you press insert. Okay. If you press insert, it will get you into the description mode. So I'm writing a detailed description here now. Earlier, what you did is you just gave the title, but you never edited the detailed description. So you have a provision to detailedly describe also. Okay.
Okay.
Binary files can be generated anytime by compiling on local machine. Hence, deleting all the binary files. Okay. So I have a big message, but this message is so big, right? So the usual practice is you should have 80 characters in a line. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just keep, I'll take these things here and I'll break this into 2 lines now. Okay. Okay. Now save, yes, save and done. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll push this git push origin master. Now what happened? I pushed the code. So git log 1 line. If I do, so I have so many branches, so many commits. Okay. Now let me go back and check my Git repository, refresh it. So I have 5 commits now. Okay. Now we don't have binary files here. Only source files are present. Correct?
Right.
Now I made one more change, but you check at your end, your machine. So we'll see like what's going on and how can you get the code on your machine. Present your screen. Yeah, refresh it. So 5 commits, right? And only your local machine you check. How do you verify? Git log. Okay, git log. 1 line. Okay, don't have the new patch, correct? So to get the new patch from a repository to you, what you need to do, you have to perform git pull. Enter. Okay. You see on the right hand side, sorry, left hand side, your binary files are deleted already, right? Now you again say git log 1 line. What happened?
Deleting binary files.
Okay.
Okay.
So thereby, any day, freshly when you're working, always have a practice of git pull first and then work on the things. Okay.
Okay. Oh yes.
Thereby, you will have always the latest code on your machine. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Let's stop for here. Git is also a ocean of things, but for now, I think this much is sufficient for us. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Hopefully you learned something. All right, girl.
I did learn something.
Sorry.
I did learn a lot.
Okay, okay. So we will continue our journey again on Wednesday. What I suggest you is like for your OS and network things, whatever were there, just have a copy of all the data on your Git. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So it will be an asset for you. So now you know like how to create branches and how to create Git repository and push the code at least, right?
Yes, yes.
So you upload everything to Git, your CN things, your OS
right.
things. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Have a nice day, buddy.
Yeah. Same to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
See you.